Imagine a high-value manufacturing plant. When a single critical component on the assembly line starts to vibrate out of spec, the clock starts ticking. In the industrial world, unplanned downtime doesn't just cost minutes, it costs millions. Now, the warning signs are there, but they're scattered across services. Traditionally, a developer would have to manually stitch these services together, or a supervisor would have to bridge the gap with phone calls, while the machine inches closer to failure. Enter Agentic Maintenance, powered by Gemini Enterprise.
This is more than just another dashboard. It's a reasoning engine built on Google Cloud. Under the hood, we've used Agent Development Kit to turn Python functions into tools for agents that can actually think and act on their own. So instead of a user just staring at a dashboard and trying to figure out what to do next, the system is already steps ahead, securely and autonomously getting the work done for them.
Let's say an inspector notices a vibration spike and they consult the agent. The agent securely checks your internal databases, manufacturer's records, and PDF manuals and detects an issue with motor B. But the agent goes beyond problem detection and identifies what part of the motor is failing and whether or not it's in their inventory. And when asked what the lead time is for the part, the agent checks the vendor's real-time API, confirms that the part is in stock at a regional hub, and prompts the inspector to trigger the purchase order. The power lies in agentic reasoning. Gemini Enterprise doesn't just return information, it evaluates to present a validated resolution. With one confirmation, the agent triggers the downstream workflows. A purchase order is delivered to the vendor API, a technician is scheduled, and the central business system is notified that production has been slowed down for a short time.
This is where the real shift happens. We aren't just automating a few emails, we're connecting the factory floor directly into the supply chain. It turns what used to be a week-long headache into a single click, keeping the line moving without the usual friction.
With Gemini Enterprise, you're transforming maintenance into a self-healing supply chain. How can Gemini Enterprise help you bridge the gap between code and frontline action? Find out by enrolling on Google Skills.